Hello, friends. How are you? I'm back with a new approach for 2025 now that how to become an analyst in 2025. So I hope you all are preparing well and you all need a proper guidance and a particular road path that how to prepare yourself for the analytical approaches. And yes, definitely, you all need to know that how you can become an analyst in 2025. So let's start the video for today and see what is the information for you this time. The things that I am here today is for a particular professional training plan that you can follow to become an analyst, a 6-month job oriented analyst professional training plan. You can also follow these particular topics, these particular tools, these particular strategies to become an analyst in 2025. So basically, this particular program that I'm going to let you know that covers all the technical and non-technical skills that are required to become an analyst, or you can say a professional analyst, because as you all know that becoming an analyst is not all about the technical skills, the non-technical skills having the same weightage into it. And this particular plan is equipped with a particular industrial ready expertise from the different domain like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, technology, technical, non-technical both. Okay. So the curriculum that will I'm going to show you will provide a deep dive into the tools, the methodology that you need to follow, and the strategies that you need to plan for your projects also. Fine. So being with me, I'm your host for today. I'm Shivraj Sharma at BNF Analytics. I welcome you all. So the first thing that this particular training provides you that adopt this road path. Okay. Fix 6 months for the preparations. Prepare for weekdays only. Okay. And in the courses that I have a limit of 20 participants only. You can follow it by yourself also. In this particular program, I will give you the sponsorship for Microsoft Power BI PL 300 certification exam also. Okay. And all the informations, all the trainings, the road path that I am sharing with you, be with me. So right from month to month, if you will go ahead, check what you need to do to prepare yourself. In the very first month, we need to have a strong foundation first. Foundation, it means basic understanding, basic knowledge, basic concepts we have to understand. Okay. And the analytical thinking. So in first month, you have to prepare the base, right? By the second month, you have to go with the data visualization and reporting part. The tools that involves in data visualization, you can move ahead in those particular tools in the second month. Because now you are aware with the data, with the tools, with the role, the responsibilities that you will have as an analyst. Now you will be ready in the month 2 to go ahead into the data visualization and reporting part. In month 3rd, what you need to do, that is the advanced data analysis. Okay. And the statistical concepts, which are the most important part of learning analytics. Okay. Now, once you are aware about the statistical concepts also, you can move ahead to the more advanced part, that is industrial integrations, that you need to do into month 4, that is advanced analytics and its integrations, right? In these 4 months, you will be ready to have go through the projects, because now you have the technical knowledge as well as the non-technical skills also. In month 5th, what you need to do, you have to go to the industrial applications and the Agile methodology that is required for the communication, for the planning part of projects. Okay. Finally, you have to build your portfolio. So in month 6, you have to move on to the real world projects and the career preparations, interview preparations, mock interviews, your different questionnaires that you will prepare for yourself, your portfolio websites, your portfolio particular one, the resumes that includes into it. So in month 6, you have to collaboratively collect all those things that you learned in the last 5 months. Okay, let's see. In month 1, what you need to do into your foundational tools and analytical thinkings. First thing that is most important, that is Microsoft Excel and SQL. Okay, so in Microsoft Excel, what you need to learn the basics, including formatting, data entry, basic formulas like that. In intermediate level, you have to go through the conditional formatting, data validation, working with name ranges, like that. Different, advanced data analytics, macros, VBA, and also visualizations. Fine, because in 60% cases, in 60% of the cases of your projects, you are going to use Microsoft Excel only. Fine. Then important part, that is SQL, database basics, basic commands, joins, advanced queries, and the data aggregation part. So that you will get familiar with the most important tools in the first month. That is the foundation that is with you. Fine. Then in month 2, the data visualization that I am talking about will be all about the Power BI and the Tableau tool. Okay. Power Query, data modeling, DAX basics, advanced DAX functions, its visualizations, publishing, and how to share it. Similarly, with Tableau, you have to go through the connecting to the database, data preparation, visual design, advanced charts, and storytelling part. Fine. Finally, after month 2, in month 3, what we have talked about, that is advanced data analysis and statistical concepts. So in advanced data analysis, you have Python with you. Okay. And for the statistical and probability part, descriptive statistics, probability, hypothesis testing, correlation and regression you need to learn. Okay. Then month 4, advanced part of Power BI, where you have to learn the integration of API and the real-time analysis with streaming dataset, that is live dataset. And in Python Advanced, the feature engineering, predictive modeling, clustering, and the time series analysis. Fine. How we can left the big data analysis also. That's why in the month 4, you have the big data fundamentals also. Okay. And then finally, integrated tool workflow will be done into the month 4. We're combining different Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python in a single project, automating the pipelines for repetitive analytics processings. Fine. And the project planning part that will be done using the Zira projects. Okay. And in month 6, there will be capstone projects that I told you to combine all your learnings together in the form of projects. Okay. different tools. Whatever you learn in the last 5 months, you have to use all those tools, their features, to showcase your skills. Okay. Placement related preparations also need to done. That includes mock interviews, resume optimization, LinkedIn profile preparations, GitHub preparations, and your portfolios on Tableau, Power BI, Kaggle, like that. Fine. So the integrated tools and skill set workflow will be like Excel, SQL, go with Power BI, then Tableau with Python, then Jira, and the big data. Okay. And definitely this program will ensure you that with practical skills, technical mastery, and industrial insights for successful in analytical roles. In this particular program, you will find or you will meet experts from the different domain, different companies, right? Some of the companies like Google, Microsoft, TCS, BMW, like that. Okay. So there are industrial experts who will give you the exposure to understand that what is the need in the industry, how the analysts deal with the particular situations. They will discuss the case studies also. Fine. These are the particular registration details if you want to register with this particular course, or you can follow this particular roadmap for your self preparation also. Anytime, from anywhere, if you need any support of mine, you can comment on below section. Okay. And I will be there to help you, to support you, to make you understand how to prepare. Okay. This particular program is for 6 months and only for weekdays. 2 days are for your self preparations and practices. Fine. There will be limitation for the seats also, that is 20 participants in a one batch, and in a complete year there will be only one batch available. Okay. And there is a fees of INR 5,000 that also includes 4,860 rupees of PL 300 exam fees that we are going to pay for you. We will register you. Okay. So you are just paying 150 rupees. Fine. So I will give you the assurance that after this program, you will be able to get placed in a good company as an analyst, as well as you are able to clear the PL 300 exam that will give you the certification from Microsoft. Okay. So this registration link as well as the WhatsApp group link will be available into the descriptions below. Okay. So this is the payment QR code. If you want detailed payment details, then in the registration link, the Google form, you will find all the other details also. So don't waste your time to become an analyst in 2025. July will be yours. This batch is starting from January. July will be yours as an analyst. Hope a good day. Happy Christmas. Happy New Year. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you.